Hello, dear little kids. Welcome back with the another chapter of Marigold for class 2. And today's chapter is I Am Lucky from Unit 2. I am lucky. Dear kids, this is a poem. There is a little girl in this poem who is the subject of this poem, and she is thinking. What is she thinking? If I were a butterfly, I would be thankful for my wings. अगर मैं एक बटरफ्लाई तितली होती तो मैं शुक्रगुजार होती अपनी पंखों के लिए. If I were a manna in a tree, I would be thankful that I could sing. अगर मैं पेड़ में एक मैना होती तो मैं शुक्रगुजार होती कि मैं गा सकती थी. If I were a fish in the sea, I would be thankful that I can wriggle and giggle with glee. अगर मैं समुद्र में मछली होती तो मैं शुक्रगुजार होती कि मैं खुशी से खीस निकाल कर गिगल मीन्स हंसी हंसना दांत निकाल कर रिगल करती. रिगल करना मछली जिस तरह से तैरती है घूम घूम के वो मैं कर सकती. सो आई जस्ट थिंक आई एम लकी टू बी मी. इसलिए मैं सोचती हूँ कि मैं खुश नसीब हूँ कि मैं हूँ. नॉट यू बट मी. तुम नहीं बल्कि मैं. इफ आई वर एन एलिफेंट आई वुड बी थैंकफुल दैट आई कैन रेज माई ट्रंक. अगर मैं एक हाथी होती तो मैं शुक्रगुजार होती कि मैं अपनी सूंड को बढ़ा सकती थी, ऊंचा कर सकती थी. इफ आई वर अ कैंगरू आई वुड ट्राई टू हॉप राइट अप टू द मून. अगर मैं एक कैंगरू होती तो मैं चंद्रमा तक पहुंचने के लिए कूदने की कोशिश करती. If I were an octopus, I would be thankful for my 8 arms. अगर मैं एक ऑक्टोपस होती तो मैं अपनी 8 भुजाओं के लिए बाहों के लिए शुक्रगुजार होती. सो आई जस्ट थिंक आई एम लकी टू बी मी. इसलिए मैं सोचती हूँ कि मैं होने के लिए बहुत खुश नसीब हूँ. नॉट यू बट मी. तुम नहीं बल्कि मैं. वॉट डू यू थिंक यू वॉन्ट टू बी. तुम क्या सोचते हो कि तुम्हें क्या होना है. डू यू वॉन्ट टू बी लाइक मी. क्या तुम मेरी तरह होना चाहते हो. और जस्ट यू या सिर्फ तुम, सिर्फ तुम. वाओ, what a poem it is, isn't it, kids? You must be happy that you are you, not anybody else. Let's read new words. Butterfly, titli, manna, a kind of bird. Fish, machli, kangaroo, an animal. Kangaroo is an animal. Octopus. Octopus lives in, yes, in the sea. Now, the exercises. Reading is fun. Complete these sentences. Animals, actions. A butterfly, butterfly can fly. A manna can sing. A fish can wriggle. An elephant can raise trunk. A kangaroo can hop. And you can do anything because you are you, not anybody else. You can you cannot hop like kangaroo. You cannot raise your trunk like elephant. You cannot sing like manna. You cannot fly like butterfly. But being a person, being a human being, you can achieve anything you want. So, right, what can you do? Identify your talent and write it here. Let's talk. First question is, why do you think the butterfly likes its wings? And the answer is, I think the butterfly likes its wings because it can fly with its wings. Next question, what can the manna do? And the answer is, the manna can sing. What can you do? Sing, paint, or write? Dear kids, write here the answer. What can you do? You can sing, or you can paint, or you can write, or you are good in sports. Write your answer. Do you think the fish was really happy to be in the water? And your answer must be, yes, I think that the fish was really happy to be in the water because it could wriggle and giggle with glee in the water. Next question, what are the lucky things that have happened to you? Tell your friends in the class. Now, dear kids, there may be many lucky things which have happened with you. You can talk about these lucky things with your friends in the class. Try to talk. Okay? Now, come to the next exercise. Let's listen. This is a short poem. I am reciting it for you. Kang has a dream. Who is Kang? Kang is a kangaroo. Kang has a dream. Kang flew into the sky. He flew to the moon. He flew through a cloud. He slipped down a tree. Kang woke up with a bang. कैंग ने एक सपना देखा. क्या देखा? कि वो आसमान में उड़ गया, कि वो चांद पर उड़ गया, कि वो क्लाउड में उड़ के पहुंच गया, कि वो एक ट्री से नीचे गिर गया और एक धमाके के साथ उड़ गया. Let's draw. Complete the pictures and label them. Here are some pictures and you have to write the name of body parts like E, ear, T, trunk, E, again ears, L, legs. Then let's write T, tail. Let's write an act. Now fill in the blanks using the hint words given below. If I were a kangaroo, I would hop. If I were a tiger, I would roar. If I were a fish, I would swim. If I were a bird, I would fly like them. Say aloud. Dear kids, this exercise is for strengthening your pronunciation. Now, octopus. It's not octopus, it's octopus. Elephant, not elephant, elephant. Butterfly, kangaroo. Dear kids, this is the easy way for learning the spellings also. Next exercise, let's write. Add FUL full to the words given in brackets and complete the sentences. You must be helpful to your friends. Make a colorful drawing. The puppy is so playful. Be careful while crossing the road. Joining words. Join the two words to make one word. Look at the example. PEACE, peace, plus FULL, full, peaceful. Now, PLAY, play, plus FULL, full, playful. Color plus full, colorful. Care plus full, careful. Hope plus full, hopeful. Dear kids, you have to write only FUL after joining the each word. You will not write PEACE plus FULL. You will write PEACEFUL, single L. This is the rule to join two words. When you will join two words, one word will be made with single L. Now, write 5 things you can do. Start with I can. What can you do, kids? I can write plays. I can sing a song. I can make a drawing. I can play hockey. I can dance. Dear kids, now next sentence is I cannot but I can. What have you to do? You have to write I cannot. What you cannot? Like I cannot swim but I can sing. I cannot fly but I can run. I cannot raise my trunk but I can move fast. Write your own sentences. Now give yourself a big star for being what you are. Dear kids, make a star for yourself here just for being what you are. Okay, dear kids, now enjoy the poem and be happy with yourself. Bye bye. We will be meeting again with the another chapter of this book. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.